Grow mint like a pro, a beginner's guide to fresh flavor. Hey there, fellow plant lovers! Ever dreamed of having a constant supply of fresh, fragrant mint right at your fingertips? Well, dream no more. In this video, we're diving deep into the wonderful world of mint and showing you exactly how to grow it successfully at home, even if you're a complete beginner. Get ready to unleash your inner gardener. Mint isn't just a tasty herb, it's a powerhouse of benefits. From adding a refreshing zing to your drinks and dishes to offering potential health benefits, mint is a must-have for any home. Plus, growing your own is incredibly rewarding and surprisingly easy. Imagine sipping a homemade mojito with mint you grew yourself, or adding a sprig of fresh mint to your morning tea. The possibilities are endless. Did you know there are dozens of different mint varieties? From classic peppermint and spearmint to chocolate mint and even pineapple mint, the options are vast. Each variety offers a unique flavor profile, so choose one that excites your taste buds. Consider what you'll be using the mint for. Peppermint is great for teas, while spearmint is perfect for cocktails and savory dishes. Don't be afraid to experiment. Now for the fun part, planting. You can start mint from seeds, cuttings, or even a store-bought plant. For beginners, we recommend starting with a plant or cuttings, as they're generally easier to manage. Make sure you have a pot with drainage holes. Mint loves well-draining soil, so choose a good quality potting mix. First, gently remove your mint plant from its original container. Loosen the roots slightly to encourage growth. Place the plant in your prepared pot and fill in around it with potting mix. Water thoroughly after planting. Ensure the water drains freely from the bottom of the pot. Mint thrives in partial shade to full sun. Aim for at least 4-6 hours of sunlight per day. Water regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Check the soil moisture by sticking your finger in the soil. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. Here's a crucial tip. Mint is an enthusiastic grower. It spreads rapidly through its roots, so it's best to grow it in a container to prevent it from taking over your garden. If you do plant it in the ground, consider burying a container around it to contain the roots. Trust us, your garden will thank you. Harvesting mint is simple and encourages even more growth. Simply snip off stems as needed, using scissors or your fingers. The more you harvest, the bushier your plant will become. Harvest in the morning for the best flavor. This is when the essential oils are most concentrated. Even with the best care, you might encounter a few challenges. Keep an eye out for pests like aphids or spider mites. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Yellowing leaves can indicate overwatering or underwatering. Adjust your watering schedule accordingly. Now for the best part, using your homegrown mint. Add it to teas, cocktails, salads, desserts, and so much more. The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different recipes and discover your favorite ways to use fresh mint. You'll be amazed at the difference fresh mint makes. Want to enjoy your mint even when it's not growing season? You can dry it, freeze it, or even make mint-infused oil or vinegar. Drying mint is easy. Simply hang bunches upside down in a cool, dark place until they're completely dry. Growing mint at home is a rewarding and enjoyable experience. With a little care and attention, you'll have a constant supply of fresh, fragrant mint to enjoy all year round. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun. Ready to start your mint growing adventure? And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments what variety of mint you are planning to grow. Happy gardening!